Hey guys, and happy Vlognukkah Day 7! So today's Vlognukkah video is going to be a DIY. So I'm not really going to do much besides this DIY today. Let me do this DIY for you guys, and I've been wanting to do it. So this is the Lure DIY letter board. I got it at Target. It was like $20. You guys don't know, Lure DIY came out with some stuff, and yeah. So I'm excited to do this. So I want to show you guys and give like my review on it and all. So I think the packaging is really cute. It's like has her face on it, and then like here are all the other things that you can do. So we're just gonna open it up. Okay, let's see how this comes. What's in the box? Here is the DIY board. It comes with a string to hang it up and markers, which have, say, Lure DIY. Interesting, I didn't know that. I like that. And here's the pieces of DIY. There's like a moose. I'm so excited. That is my DIY for this video. Yeah, so this is how it turned out. So this is how it turned out. I just wrote subscribe to Hey It's Esther. It didn't fit my whole name here, kind of long. But overall, I think it turned out pretty well. I do like these like little emojis. Of course, I use moose for it. This is so cute. Overall, I do think this is a cool DIY to test out. If you guys ever want like a letter board, I definitely recommend getting it. The only thing was like, it's kind of hard to like get these things out. One broke-ish. That's the only downside. It's like kind of hard to get these things out a little bit, and then you have to figure out how to like put it in. But overall, I think it's pretty cool. I do like the markers. Markers are hard to have. I think the markers are so cute. Definitely will be using these more often than that. But the markers smell a little weird. But overall, I think this DIY is super cute. It's something fun to do. And yeah, I think overall it's a great DIY. And if you want to get somebody for like Christmas or something, they love Lure DIY and they've been wanting a letter board, I definitely recommend it. It's super inexpensive versus all the other letterboard all for it today. I'm sorry. Kind of like not that interesting, but interesting. But yeah, so I will talk to you tomorrow. So overall, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow in Sunday's vlog, which will be my city vlog, and that will be up Monday. I will see you guys tomorrow in Sunday's Vlognukkah, which is the last day of Vlognukkah for me, unless I continue, which probably I won't. But we'll have a lot of regular scheduled videos coming back following week. What I got for Hanukkah, and just a bunch of videos planned for you guys. So get ready for a lot of videos coming within the next month or two. So yeah, I have so many videos planned that I need to film. So hopefully I'll get that. And yeah, so tomorrow I'll be in the city seeing the Mickey exhibit with Lindsay and Nikki. It should be fun. And then we're gonna go to the tree and go to FAO Schwartz. So that should be very fun. I'm excited to take you guys along. I was gonna vlog anyway, but since it's now Vlognukkah, I have an excuse to vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video. I know I normally don't do a DIY, but I figured why not give you something different. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.